សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានៅក្នុងវីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំនឹងនិយាយអំពី auxiliary verb be have ហើយនឹង do ខ្ញុំគិតថាមេរៀននេះគឺជាមេរៀនដ៏ល្អមួយហើយសំខាន់សម្រាប់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដើម្បីអាចយល់បានពីការប្រើប្រាស់រវាងពាក្យ be រវាងពាក្យ do ហើយនឹង have ឥឡូវយើងទៅតាមដានអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាតើ be do ហើយនឹង have យើងប្រើវាយ៉ាងដូចម្ដេចខ្ញុំចង់បញ្ជាក់ថាពាក្យថា do be ហើយនឹង have នេះវាអាចដើរតួជា main verb ហើយក៏អាចដើរតួជា auxiliary verb ដែរប៉ុន្តែនៅក្នុងវីដេអូនេះគឺខ្ញុំនិយាយអំពី auxiliary verb អូខេយើងទៅមើល Okay, first we talk about the verb be or the verb to be. Be is the best form. Okay, we have three: am, is, and are. Okay, be, am, is, are. In past simple is was or were. Okay, was is the past tense of am and is. Were is the past tense of are. Okay, past participle of the verb to be is been. Okay, so we have three: am, is, are in present, and we have two in past simple, was and were, and we have only one been in past participle. Okay, we use the verb to be, or we use be verb into two ways, two different ways. The first one is to make or to form continuous tenses. Okay, យើងប្រើវាដើម្បីបង្កើតកាលកំពុងបន្តឬក៏យើងអាចនិយាយថា continuous tenses. And the second is we use to form passive, okay, passive sentence. អញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើទី1ដើម្បីបង្កើតកាល continue ហើយទី2គឺយើងប្រើ passive. Okay. ខ្ញុំលើកឧទាហរណ៍បញ្ជាក់គឺ I am cooking present continuous. She was dancing past continuous. I was sent it was sent yesterday past simple passive, and you will be punished. Okay, this is future simple passive. Okay, អញ្ចឹងបញ្ជាក់មកវិញ verb to be គឺយើងប្រើ be ទី1គឺដើម្បីបង្កើតកាលកំពុងតែបន្តឬក៏យើងនិយាយថា continuous tenses ហើយមួយទៀតគឺយើងប្រើដើម្បីបង្កើត passive voice ឬក៏ passive sentences. Okay, ជាងជាប់ to be បាទយើងចូលទៅពាក្យថា do. Okay, when we talk about do we have do and does in present. អញ្ចឹងមាន do ឬក៏ does ពីរហ្នឹងគឺដូចគ្នាខុសគ្នាត្រង់ថាយើងប្រើជាមួយនឹង subject តែប៉ុណ្ណោះ So the past tense of do or does is did. Okay, the past participle is also the same. It is did. អញ្ចឹងដូចគ្នាទេ past simple ហើយនឹង past participle របស់ do ឬក៏ does ហ្នឹងគឺ did ដូចគ្នា Okay, we use do or did or does, okay, into two different ways. We have a negative, we use to form negative and to form question. Okay, in present simple or in past simple. អញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើ do ហ្នឹងដើម្បីបង្កើតទម្រង់ឬក៏យើងនិយាយថាដើម្បីបង្កើតប្រយោគបដិសេធហើយនឹងប្រយោគសំណួរនៅក្នុង present simple ហើយនឹង past simple. អញ្ចឹង past របស់ do គឺ did. អញ្ចឹងបើ present simple យ៉ាងម៉េចយើងបដូរទៅជា did ទៅ do ទៅជា did ឬក៏ does ទៅជា did ទៅអញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើនៅក្នុង negative statement ហើយនឹង question គឺមាន2 general question ហើយនឹង WH question. គេខ្ញុំលើកឧទាហរណ៍ដែរចំនួន3គឺshe doesn't love him. Okay, នេះគឺ present simple negative. Okay, did you do homework last night? នេះគឺ past simple question. Okay, do we have any water here? នេះគឺ question នៅក្នុង present simple. Okay, អញ្ចឹងសរុបមក do we use in negative, we use to form negative and question in present simple and past simple. Okay, the last one is have. Okay, we use have or has. The past tense of have or has is had. The past participle also had. We use have or has or had to make or to form perfect tenses. យើងប្រើ have, had, has ដើម្បីបង្កើតកាល perfect វាអាចជា present perfect, future perfect present continue perfect continue និយាយទៅឲ្យតែ perfect tenses បាទគឺការ perfect គឺយើងប្រើពាក្យ have ទោះបី continue ឬក៏ future ក៏ដោយឬក៏ past ក៏ដោយគឺយើងប្រើពាក្យ have has ឬក៏ had ហ្នឹងបាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំលើកឧទាហរណ៍ចំនួន4គឺ we have talked to your father we have talked to your father អូខេកន្លែងនេះគឺជា present perfect simple មួយទៀតគឺ she has been playing all day okay this is present perfect continue present perfect continue he hasn't been to Hong Kong yet this is negative in present perfect simple okay the last one is have you ever loved me okay this is present perfect simple in question okay so here we can see the word have has hasn't okay have អញ្ចឹងសរុបមកវិញគឺ have យើងប្រើវាដើម្បីបង្កើតកាល perfect បាទ perfect tenses present past future អូខេអញ្ចឹងនេះគឺជាការប្រើប្រាស់របស់ verb to be verb do ហើយនឹង verb have បាទវាយើងប្រើវាជា auxiliary verb បាទមិនមែន main verb ទេបាទសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានឹងបានយល់ហើយយើងជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយកុំភ្លេចជួយចុច subscribe ទៅលើ channel របស់ខ្ញុំផង